Hi, I am Matshidiso Manyaka from Slovo, Winterveld. I'm here to present you about Triple M. What is Triple M? Triple M helps millions of participants worldwide that need help. Triple M is not a bank. Triple M is not an online business. It is where community help each other. How does Triple M work? Triple M, today you help someone, tomorrow you get help. No central bank. Money flows around members themselves by depositing to each other to the bank account. You can withdraw money at any time after your actual amount turns green. It means it is confirmed. Referral bonuses. Triple M, when you join Triple M, you get a referral bonus. You get 10% from all the deposit of the participant you invite. Inviting a new member is your additional contributor to this development. A referral bonus motivates many people to take active and positive way to join. Nobody forces anyone to join Triple M. Bonuses for referral videos, testimonial. Always, all the time, when you join Triple M, you get 5% for the sum of the help you receive. You get 3% for the sum of help you receive if you don't show your face. You also get a 5% bonus when you record a video of a letter of happiness. This is how Triple M works. Thank you for listening. Bye.